water management, water quality management, as I alluded to earlier with our soil testing, we're much more intense. We've employed techniques such as strip till, banning of fertilizers, much less application, try to be very limited in our broadcast applications and or our manure applications if we are. We're really trying to incorporate those nutrients as quickly as we can so we don't have any runoff issues, but water quality from a holistic perspective on our farm starts with a crop rotation, starts with nutrient management, whether that being utilizing manure and or commercial fertilizer in a sustainable way, and not over applying. The other thing that we're doing is using cover crops, no-till, so we're not so we've got something growing, we've got something grabbing nutrients all year round, and so and applying those nutrients to a growing crop. On a specific example of some of the things that we're doing, and I know necessarily nitrogen, it's highly leachable, but we're spreading our nitrogen applications out in our corn. So while it doesn't matter whether it's P or K or nitrogen, we're really trying to be very diligent in how we apply those nutrients. With water quality on the forefront, as we're only 20 miles from Lake Erie.